Hello everyone. We are discussing the VARC section of CAT 2020 paper in slot 2, and let's see how question number 24 can be solved. Now question number 24, as the instructions read, is a typical odd one out question. Let's read the instructions first. 5 jumbled up sentences related to a topic are given below. 4 of them can be put together to form a coherent paragraph. Identify the odd one out and key in the number of the sentence as you answer. So when we try to solve this question, the first logical step would be to scan the passage and try to find out a common underlying theme and a flow of ideas because of which 4 sentences can be taken or included in a coherent paragraph, and there is one sentence which will be falling out of the theme, and that's why it cannot be included in a paragraph. So let's examine the sentences one by one. Sentence number 1: you can observe the truth of this in every e-business model ever constructed: monopolize and protect data. So what this sentence is doing is it is giving you a situation where you can protect your data, and this is the new e-business model, and there is a pronoun given, that is this. So this is a pointer. So we notice these many things from statement number 1, that it is related to protecting data, and there is a connector. Now second one says, economists and technologists believe that a new kind of capitalism is being created, different from industrial capitalism as was merchant capitalism. So this is something which sounds very general. We will discover in the reading of the remaining sentences whether this can be an opening sentence to the passage, whether it relates to the same theme. Are we talking about a new kind of capitalism? And let's keep it aside for the time being. Third one: in 1962, Kenneth Arrow, the guru of mainstream economics, said that in a free market economy, the purpose of inventing things is to create intellectual property rights. So what we again notice in this sentence is that there are intellectual property rights that are being created. So this sentence is basically related to the same idea that we discovered in the first one. We said that you have to monopolize and protect data. So this is also talking about protecting your data or your intellectual property. So third one can be your general statement, which can be the opening statement of the passage, and it is talking about intellectual property rights. That is the aim of inventing things in a free market economy. Fourth one says, there is, alongside the world of monopolized information and surveillance, a different dynamic growing up. Now this is a new idea. Alongside the monopolized information that we saw in first one, there is a new dynamic that is coming up, and the new dynamic says that information cannot be owned or exploited or priced. So this is a different idea than the one given in third one or first one, which said that you have to create intellectual property rights. This instead is saying that information cannot be owned or exploited or priced. Fifth one says, yet information is abundant. Information goods are freely replicable. Once a thing is made, it can be copied and pasted infinitely. So this is again going against the idea that you have to create intellectual property rights or you have to protect your data. And this statement also has a transition word, that is yet. So now we are talking about information in these 4 sentences. 2 sentences say that it has to be protected, whereas 2 sentences have the idea that it cannot be protected, and then we have a connector in between to connect this transition of ideas, that is yet in the 5th statement. So if I want to make a parajumble out of this paragraph, then I may arrange the sentences in this order. 3 is the opening one, then the first one which has the connector, you can observe the truth of this, which refers back to 3, and both of them talk about the same thing, that is protecting data. From there we go to 5th one, which will introduce a transition through yet, and then we introduce a new idea that things are different, things are changing, and information cannot be restricted or owned. And then from 5th we will go to 4th. This is the new dynamic that is going up. All of them have a common idea that information earlier was protected, now it cannot be owned. So these four are totally worth including in a coherent paragraph. Now second one, which is too general and which is talking about a new kind of capitalism. Capitalism is a very broad idea, new kind of capitalism, and this is too general statement and it cannot fit in the introductory part of this passage. That's why this is something that we can safely mark as odd one out statement, and that's why your answer for this question will be 2.